today we will be making a super easy garlic bread using a toaster. Your first step will be to grab some butter or margarine and add a tablespoon of garlic powder. Then mix together. Once mixed together, chop some parsley and add it to the mix. Now mix together your parsley and butter. Now put your bread into the toaster. Once your bread is toasted, take some of the butter and spread it on. Cut it in any way you'd like, and it's ready to serve. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button to be notified for future videos. Thank you. Bye bye.